ikaw yung nag-beatbox sa acapella eh.
My favorite thing about London is the infrastructures. You know, I love it. Every time we go around here, I would just go look at the window and just be like this. I just love everything about London. The people, the weather. I just love it. I'm about to cry. Yeah. Thank you. I hope it's London approved.
There was a rooster. They all woke up. And then they started hiking again. And then they saw Mika crying in the corner of the mountains. She saw She was crying so loud she doesn't speak to anyone. She was the bogging. The bogging. She was the bogging. She was the bogging so hard, all the girls flew. And then Mika realizes she has powers. Wow. She has powers. And then Ate Colette felt it too. Ate Colette felt the power too. And then Bebe felt it and she shouted, with a smirk.
Parang may ganun kasing, ano si Sheena, ano bang term? Meron siyang ganun na napapasunod niya lahat ng mga tao pag, or baka bunso din siya.
Crawling, they're in the mountains. Guys, only Joanna.
Okay. Gina G, tumakay.
Only Joanna. And then, Ate Jo noticed, what's that? She said, what's that?